So I get a call this morning. Leak coming through ceiling. Second and third shift do not know what it's coming from. So they put this makeshift pan and it's collecting right into there. But you can see it's all wet up there. You can see that pipe's just got stains. Okay, so now we gotta find the leak. It's happening right in the classroom. In the nursing, one of the nursing buildings. So I went to the first floor, found nothing. Go to the second floor, women's restroom, in the ceiling. Coming from the third floor, there's that little tiny hole. Let me get a little closer for you here. There it is. That's what's causing the biggest issue. So I'm gonna try and seal it up and call for a repair. Yep, just putting the fire out. Yeah, it's a way bigger problem. It's coming from the air conditioning unit on the rooftop condensation line. Taking a smoke break, then I'll be back at it and show you what the hell is going on. It's some fucking bullshit. But I gotta figure that shit out. I'm halfway there. So this is the condensation line dumping into here. This is another condensation line. They each went into their own traps. So I disconnected, put a Fernco, ran them all the way to another floor drain. Until they repair it on Monday through Friday. Yeah.